Looking for a dependable dumpster rental in Severna Park, Maryland, for your waste disposal needs? Introducing Alljunk Containers, your premier destination for hassle-free dumpster rental services. We understand that every project, big or small, requires efficient waste management. That's why we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to cater to your specific needs. Whether you're tackling a major renovation, clearing out clutter, or managing construction debris, we have the perfect dumpster rental solution for you. With our commitment to exceptional customer service and punctual delivery, we ensure that your project proceeds without a hitch. Our experienced team will work with you to schedule convenient drop-off and pickup times, allowing you to focus on your project with peace of mind. Ready to simplify your cleanup project? Visit our website at www.alljuncontainers.com Dumpster Rental Severna Park MD to learn more about our services and request a quote. You can also give us a call at 410-424-0962 to speak with one of our friendly representatives and book your dumpster rental today. Experience the convenience and reliability of Alljunk Containers for your next cleanup project. Contact us today to book your dumpster rental in Severna Park, Maryland, and take the first step towards a cleaner, more organized environment.